all you beautiful people. My name is Alex Steele, and you're watching ModShapes. Now I have a silhouette cameo that I like to use to produce vinyl. I've done a few little pieces of art where I apply the vinyl directly onto a surface. And now I've been playing around with stencils for art and other things. But the question is, how can I produce a more longer lasting stencil? I'm going to create my own stencils, and we're going to be using these durable plastic dividers to do it. So that's how simple it is to take index separators you can get from any office supply store and turn them into stencils with the silhouette cameo. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you did. Drop me a comment or question, and I'd be very happy to answer it. And I'll catch all you beautiful people on the next one.